Hello mga ka-Glen Apps. So eto, dito tayo ngayon sa Stella Cafe. Cafe Stella, sorry, at Itugon, Benguet. So eto, pasyal ko kayo. The whole coffee shop or restaurant. Napakaganda ng merong ambience here. Napakalamig. Alright. So, let's go. Hello! Good day everyone! So eto, dinayo namin from Baguio City going here to Itugon village. The famous what's this? Stella, Cafe Stella. So, ayun, tingnan natin what's inside. Okay, Itugon Mountain Village. Let's go and check what's gonna here inside. See, the Cafe Stella, coffee and cocktails. So this is the area. Wow, nice. Nice place. And then there, meron overlooking also here. So, tingnan nga natin. Okay. What's this? Okay. So, meron silang mga cottage. So, you can go here or overnight. And then, meron pa doon. Ang ganda. Diba? Here, oh. Mga ka-Glen Apps, I'm here at Cafe Stella at Itugon. So, yeah. Here's the place here. Sige. View ko sa inyo, pakita ko. Alright. So, I'll go this side naman dito. Ganda ng view. Ang lamig din dito. And then yun. Super overlooking. 180 degrees overlooking. Okay. Let's go. Ayan, oh. Medyo 20 minutes from the city of Baguio mismo, mula doon sa Burnham Park. Umay ka Itugon. So I don't know, meaning welcome. Itugon. Yeah. See, mga cabins dito, Apaya, Benguet, Kalinga, Buntok. Okay. Pasukin na natin inside. Pasukin na natin. Hello, sir. Gaano nakatagal to? How long?
Nag-open po ng last April po, sir.
Last year lang. So meaning wala pang 1 year. Mag-1 year pa lang na to.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Oh. Hello. Good morning, ma'am. So we are at Itugon Mountain Village here. Okay, so from Burnham going here 20 minutes, right?
25 minutes driving.
Oo, pag medyo first timer, siyempre.
Okay.
Very stiff eh.
Yes po.
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you. Reception area. And then there's inside. Yahoo! Cafe Stella. Oh. Ito yung pinaka-dining area. And then right now, I don't know. Okay. Saan kami pwede? Can we stay here?
Yes po.
Oh yeah, dito na lang.
Sige po.
Okay, ano lang kami, tatlo.
Sige po.
Yes. What time nag-o-open sa ma'am?
Nag-open po kami ng 8.
Until?
Until 7:30 po yung last order po.
So, Monday to Sunday, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you
Thanks.
po.
Okay, so may lanay, may fire, what's that? Fireplace. Oy, let's check here sa baba. Oh. Oh, let's check here. Saan si Judge? Looking for Judge. Ito pa pala. Oh, di ba? Ganda. So, where's Judge? Ito yung Judge. Siyempre. Okay. Baba pa pala. So, tatlong floor. Wala na. That's it. So, dito lang. Wala pang 1 year. Last lang sila nag-open, Judge. April. Oo. Ganda ng architecture eh. Diba? Tapos, tinan mo yung nature. Yes. Grabe. Lalo na sa gabi. Diba? Ayun tayo. Picturean ko kayo, Judge. See the high ceiling, oh. Wood talaga yan, oh. Di ba? "20 minutes from Baguio proper." Mm-mm. Talagang wood siya. With high ceiling. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Have a great day. Thank you so much.